Thanks so much, Pat. Today in Your Money, paying income taxes on Social Security retirement income is always a hot topic, so we went to our financial advisors to get more info. Take a look. Like many, you may be unsure if your Social Security is taxable when you retire. Well, there are ways to determine if it is.
If Social Security was the only income that you had during the year, it's highly likely that you will not pay any income taxes on that Social Security income. However, if you had wages or substantial investment earnings or interest earnings, your Social Security income may in fact be taxable.
You may often hear the term base amount, which is the amount of income you can have before your Social Security benefit becomes taxable.
If your income is determined to be under the base amount, which for a single person would be $25,000, that's single, head of household, qualifying widow, widower, or another little twist there, married, filing separately. If you've lived apart for the entire 12 months, your base amount would be $25,000. If you're married, filing jointly, your base amount is $32,000. So if your income is below that with the calculation, then you wouldn't pay any income taxes.
So what exactly does this mean to those who are receiving Social Security retirement income?
To determine how much of that is taxable, we have to go through a calculation. It's called the Modified Adjusted Gross Income Calculation. We actually have to use that figure to determine whether or not you're above or below the base amount.
It's important to know that there are tips to minimize the taxation of your Social Security retirement income.
The simplest thing to do is to remove taxable income off your tax form. So that could be if you have excessive interest earnings or perhaps capital gains and dividends. There are ways that you can rearrange those assets and take advantage of tax deferral. And an interesting point, municipal bond income, which technically is tax-free, it is included in your modified adjusted gross income calculation and could cause some taxation on your Social Security income.
For more sound financial advice from Massey & Associates, just head to foxprovidence.com.